Hello, Kutztown families. In this video, we will go through the process of setting up a parent account for PowerSchool. With this parent account, you will have access to your child's grades, so you will be able to help them achieve success academically through the year. What you're looking at here is an example of the letter that's sent out to all parents the first couple weeks of school. This letter contains the access ID and password that you'll need to set up the account. It also has step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Those instructions are what we will go through now. If you type in the web address that's here in the first step, and also on this page, it will bring you to a screen that looks like this. From here, you want to click on Create Account, and then Create Account again, and it will give you information for you to fill in. So, let me fill in that information for myself. You choose your own username. That can be whatever you'd like. It needs to be unique though, so if you choose one that's already taken, it'll make you choose again. For the password, in the letter it says at least 6 characters long. I believe since then they've updated to 8 characters. And you can choose your own password. You'll get a little rating there for the quality of your password. Then it will give you information to fill in here about the student that you're linking to. So if you have more than one child that you want to check on, you can fill it in a box for each child that you're doing. The access ID and password, those came from the front page of that letter that we looked at. So you type those in and choose your relationship to the student that you're entering. When you're all done, you click Enter down here at the bottom. Now, I received an error message here that email already exists because I already have an account. You may receive an error message that the username was already taken if you selected one that has already been used. Once you have all this information filled in correctly, you will have your account created and you'll be able to access it. To do that, you'll come to the student parent sign-in. Instead of clicking Create Account, you'll leave it on the sign-in tab this time, and you'll enter the information, the username and password you selected, and sign in. If you set up an account for more than one child, up here in the top left corner, you will be able to select each child to look at their scores. What you're looking at here is the grade and attendance screen. On here, it will show you the grades that your child has for each quarter, what their year one average is so far, and absences in that class as well. If you want to see more details, you can click on the quarter grade and it will show you details for it. So in here, it'll show you the scores that your child earned for that teacher. You can return to the main screen by clicking grades and attendance over here on the left and check out other grades. It's important that you click on the scores to look at details and not just the overall grade, because if a student has a lot of assignments missing but not scored yet, those will not be factored into the grade until the teacher puts in a 0. When you look at the grade sheet here, you can see the score, percentage-wise, what letter grade that works out to. There's some flags on here that you'll notice that you can check down at the bottom. If an assignment was excluded from the quarter grade, that it was a practice kind of thing and not counted into the calculation. It'll mark if it's late or missing, or if the student was absent or it's incomplete. You can also notice that there's the little comment icon here, and View means that there's details that the teacher entered about the grade. If you click on View, you can see a comment that the teacher added about that grade for your child. Again, you can click Grade and Attendance to get back to the overview screen. You can click on other children up here to check their grades as well. So hopefully those steps will help you get access to PowerSchool and take advantage of the tool that it offers to help your child be successful.